Mm-hmm. And there you go. Look at that. Payday. Touchdown. No doubt about it.
Touchdown number 5.